You can't please everybody, but at least somebody happy. I'll do it again for now. I'm able to need to hear this. You can't please everybody, but at least somebody happy. Hey, this is Public Report representing for you. And guess what? A long time I don't really do this, you know what I mean? And it's been a while, I'm sorry. I think we need to do it for now. Because I need to understand, say, at the end of the day, you really can't please everybody, but somebody's happy for you. You know what I mean? Yeah. So guess what now? This one is called Spoiled Brat. You know what I mean? And yeah, we have enough work to do with, enough work to start out, so we don't want to vex with me. We don't want to vex, someone want to vex with me, not everybody. You know what I mean? Even one I want to happy. But guess what now? I want to thank everybody that has been supporting the movement thus far, the whole Public Report family, you know what I mean? And big up everybody that's a part of this video. You know what I mean? This one is called Spoiled Brat, as I said before. Big up Marika, big up Ashley, big up Jessica, you know what I mean? Big up, what me ask I just to myself? Big up myself, you know what I mean? And there is Toga, you know what I mean? Big up Toga the General, you know what I mean? So yeah, everybody that made this one possible, thank you so much. And thank you to all the sponsors that has made these, you know, this movie, as a matter of fact, possible as well. You know what I mean? Big up on yourself. You don't know yourself. I'm not going to say nothing, but you don't know what I'm going, right? So yeah, man, thanks again for the support. I can't stop the thanks, guys. From where I'm coming from to where I'm at now, it's a blessing. You know what I mean? Yeah. And yeah, watch, I want to tell me what I'm going, because as me say, me always go say, I'm a work in progress. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm going to big up all the person who, you know, help me to, you know, to actually have this platform right now. Richard Brown, you don't know a thing. You know what I mean? Big up yourself. So yeah, watch the one I'm going to tap in nice now. Oh!
To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Come on, I know you're strong, yeah. But you be wrong and strong, that means you're weak. And if you can't say you're sorry when you're wrong, that means sometimes we have to take a look in the mirror and find our faults. Cause if you say you're strong, then you have to take a look in your faults. Now make your pride and your feelings stop you from have a better day. Better, better, better day. Better, better, better day. A better, better, better day. Better, better, better day. Better, better, better day. Only you can make it good.
Boy, I'm tired. Every time I fall there, drop.
How are you do?
You're blind? I play hopscotch. You play?
You play hopscotch too. Hey, you play hopscotch to yourself.
Yeah.
Me can't manage in a game now. Come we go climb one tree or something. You don't know what the nearest mango tree there?
Which part?
Ariga River. That's a better idea.
River? Me not go river. My father said, me not forget no river.
What do you mean your father said that we got no river?
My father said, me not forget no river, so me not go no river.
So you're there, so a jump. You a frog?
Yeah. You play?
No, me not. And you not even draw good.
You not for draw good. As long as you do it.
No, me can't do this with you. This is not my cup of tea.
So what for your cup of tea?
River.
Me not go no river, my father said me not forget no river. So me not go no river.
And me can't manage you, you know.
What?
Where your father there?
In the round, that's it. I just said, I don't want to go no river. Because my father said, if me behave myself this a week, yeah, I'm going to upgrade my phone to iPhone 12. Oh.
So, so you not follow me?
No, I'm not come. I play hopscotch. You mad?
You forgot to say, are you my shoe in that dog so? I mean, don't put that on my face.
You chat too much. Stop it nice.
What you mean?
Supposed to make my father hear.
You're not follow me. You're not follow me. Go pick mango. Alright, take the river off of it. You're not follow me. Go pick mango.
I'm going to follow you. You're not talk, though.
Only if you follow me.
I'll follow you.
Because we just say, march to your point. Oh yeah, what are you so?
Girl, I have to show for my father.
We can't bother with you, you know.
I just a mango tree come.
Yeah, my mom can't fling because I hand leave.
You know,
That's why I
mango
can't.
then first life.
It's better than you're singing in here like you're mad. I'll jump up and down like you're a frog. You're a frog.
So a mango, yeah.
What are you doing that?
I'm saying you're idiot.
Are you an idiot? What are you doing that? And then, watch out. You worse than me. You.
Girl, it's time I did I try to take up stone and fling off a mango.
What part of me hand leading understand? I know people that when they, hey, me now mash no window like you, you know.
You chat too much, man. So a mango.
Nobody not
Sit there.
Hey, I feel me that you know.
You're mad?
What you mean?
And I'm fling and catch it? Girl, me. You're not getting mango. You can't get my mango. You're crazy. Don't forget my mango.
You didn't feel if you eat mango today. If I never me, you would come up here, so. You didn't feel if you eat mango. You're in your yard, jump like you're the pan.
I don't feel feet mango, no, but just you know, as I come my mango tree, me feel feet and me fling and me get one, I'm gonna feel like more fling again.
Wait, what make me go tell for you?
Bet you.
So you lick out the window. I mash up the people them glass, I must lick out their eye.
You chat too much.
What you mean chat too much? You want to say chat too much?
What? Show me chat too much.
Give me that mango there.
Huh?
I can't.
Marika! So she not... Like a girl, I go, yo, boy, me tell the girl, come let me can't talk to that girl in at all. Eh? Come let me can't talk to this girl in at all.
Yeah, Daddy.
Marika, where are you, Marika?
Daddy, me a come, me a run a come. Daddy, me the right up here, so daddy, me a come here. Me a come, me a come.
What you mean say the right up here, say you're gonna
Daddy,
come?
me a come.
Me tell you to leave the yard, Marika? Eh?
No. Daddy, daddy, me a come.
Hurry up and pull the gate and come through the gate.
Daddy.
What you mean say daddy? Me not tell you say don't go through the gate.
Daddy, I run, go up there, and run, come back.
So where you go up there, for? Eh?
I'm gonna get one mango off a mango tree up there.
Mango off a mango tree?
Yeah.
Marika, me done talk about certain things already. Eh?
Daddy,
The
I go like say me go a river, so me not go a river. A mango tree, me go daddy.
Yeah,
Let's
talk
say
about.
me not figure a river, me not go a river. Me just stay here and me going, me just run go up there so I run come back.
You take it for joke, not true? You take
No.
that for joke?
No?
Eh?
No, daddy.
No, daddy, you laugh. You happy, not true? What if you go up there and something happen? Where you go up the road a while ago? Eh? Are you alone go up the road?
Me and Amanda.
That little girl, me tell her, say she has to come here and dry you out, and you keep on make she dry you out.
Daddy,
Why you
I'm
keep
friend.
on doing that?
My only friend me have.
I know
daddy.
your friend, them people are not friend. Friends are people who protect you. I bet say you and she fight, Jesus Christ. Eh? You and she fight a while ago?
Daddy around, we did around, cause me picking mango and she wanted one mango and me picking a daddy. And the girl gobble me up.
Listen to me.
I take that as nothing.
Marika, you have to understand what you have to do. See? If you tell me say you stay out here so and play, you stay out here so and play. You can't have me in the room now, in the house, I think say boy you're out here so, and then you're gone on the road. That don't make no sense. You know, everything me make sure so you get you comfortable in your life. And it come like say you want people. That little Margaret girl who come check you out with Amanda, you know. Right now, every time when she come to you, something what she want. You know, if you make friends, come check if you only something what they want, only, and feel like them a friend. You have two type of people in this world. You hear me say? You have givers and you have takers. And she to me is a taker. You hear me say?
Yes, daddy.
And I'll make it happen again.
Alright.
Actually, why, you know me loving you, my daughter. And you know, if you feel like me I cramp your style or stop you from doing certain things, you know, based on you want to just be free, but I know so it work. You get to me, I say? Eh?
Long time.
Alright. Go on around. Give me the phone. Give me the phone. Give me the phone. Can you take things for the joke? Go on around now.
Phone, daddy.
Go on around now. Go on around now. You take this thing to joke. You think that joke business is a? What do you think life is a joke?
Marika!
Little girl, I'm gonna tell you say. Eh? I'm gonna tell you say. I'm gonna tell you say. Hello, go on back in that place, so. Miss. You don't have a yard. You don't have a place to stay.
Of course, I have a yard.
So what you feel say yes, sir, is the only place for you to forward every time and job my daughter.
Watch out to that.
You! Stop coming. Hello. Find something to do. Don't come check my daughter every second when you want something. I mean, no say I saw your tongue. I feel dirty woman. Only thing she do, I leave her here just to do her here and go a road. So you don't have no time.
I'm going to tell my mother pa you.
What do you mean say tell your mother pan?
I tell my mother say your day start chat me with her. I tell me I like talk foolishness. I tell mommy say your day so I call up her name.
Me I call your mother name?
Yes.
Me just tell you the facts. You need.
Tell me
Well, tell your ma. If you want to tell your ma, you tell your ma. For your business that. You understand? But you need to stop coming up here and come drop my daughter out of her house.
Watch out your daughter, sir.
You know,
watch out your daughter.
You know, say today, I see one scarf on her neck. I mean, no, say, yeah, she a fight, cause every time you see her.
I never did that fight.
So what go on? Them tell me up, say.
I never did that fight.
So what happened then?
She not tell her what happened.
So what? So you tell me what
She not
happened.
tell her what happened.
Tell me from
Well,
your.
she not gonna tell her if she not tell her.
Guy yard. That's all me gonna tell you. No, guy yard. Stop, come up here so I can draw my daughter, man. Only thing you do a draw out and carry go all up and down all them place there. For what?
And me come here so ask her if she go. She never want to come. I could not force her. She come off her own will.
Go on.
Me never force her. Me never draw her out my house.
Take time, go on. What are the ears? What kind of 15-year-old pick they have ears ring board straight round on the two sided? What kind of mama you have, girl?
I don't have a mummer, I have a mother. You got me down.
Yeah, that's what you do.
Tell her because I believe Columbia.
No.
Your favor Anansi with your locks then.
Me favor Nancy. And your favor Charlotte like the pig.
Your favor mosquito.
Me favor mosquito. And your favor centipede. Something wrong with you. Hello, little girl. Come here. Stop it. No. You stand up here, son. You hear how she talk? I say you want to talk to? I say you want to come up in her life? Eh? Hey. I don't understand what you want, you know. But you have to decide from now. Because you feel like I just ramping and because I spoil you. You feel like you don't have to really work on nothing. You just have to just continue, just go and be a, a little child. Not true? At some point you have to grow up. You're a 15-year-old. You understand me I say? At this point everything changes. You're there in that fourth, what farm in a third farm or fourth farm? You're there in a third farm. I'm going to a fourth farm very soon. Yeah, you know what I say? Alright, I your phone, I'm going to give back, but based on where you behave, so, I'm not going to give back my phone. No, daddy, one. Don't, take time, go on and go watch your plate. Go watch your plate, them. Watch your plate, already? That is good. No, you're not getting no phone, come galang in. Go on that place, man. You don't have test. Hello, I said, don't do that. So make your ball now. How what? You feel so if you ball, you get the phone? Eh?
Please.
Why you know easy star? Sweet, that's true. Go along in that place, man. And I make it happen again. You hear me say?
Marika.
What you do, Amanda?
What you mean, mommy, I there?
What you do? Go on home, because you're not getting me in trouble today again, you know. So go on home later. Now, my father not buy me that iPhone 12. You mad? See, I'll make me all mix up and I play foolishness, you know.
Look here. What do you know?
Where you get money from? Where you get money from?
I'll find.
Where you find money?
You don't find money. You find money, right? You make mom go through go here.
Yeah.
Right hand there.
You find money?
Yeah.
So we go do the money.
That's for it. You don't want to for it.
Come on, chicken.
Is a whole luminous jar on my face?
Sorry, I'm never been vagina in your face.
You have chicken body?
Alright, then.
A joke. Come, we go buy chicken.
Voila.
What? Just go. Stay alone. I'm one little food system. Food is life. Why you help like that?
Where should I get the money from again?
What do you mean?
I remember where you get money from. I don't got my gun. Oh, you're finding?
Yeah.
Oh. Amanda, don't try to say I'm finding money, you know.
You know, say everybody that lecture me, so when I come to you and say me find money, I go buy food.
No, me just tell us to make sure, because I don't want to now we get in trouble this time. Mm. Oh, yeah, do that for.
But me, I eat the chicken and tap in it. I full my belly, you alright?
So I can't take in that plate. You could have got chicken. Do you have to really care a plate guy cook shop, Amanda?
Girl, me rather eat out of my plate than eat out of somebody else's plate. Cause I don't know what they put in it. I don't know if they wash before they go put the food in it. Give me.
Amanda.
I just told my mother teach me. And my mother teach me.
Amanda, this one.
You just a cup for your hey.
A chicken rice too. You could have buy 2 juice to rice and then you buy source of food. Guys, sit and all. Try to choke me right now.
You know, say ungrateful.
I'm ungrateful.
You don't even say thanks. You say,
Man, that's sitting on my food.
I could buy juice. Me have a great man take it back.
Come take it back. That's what my father.
You tell your father say what?
I'm coming from over.
Yeah, but this is I afford. Me nobody want it.
I don't do I get you.
Me nobody want. Amanda. Mommy, how you know stay up here from the day?
Shut your mouth and ask me when we go home now, so I can say it. Are you that? Oh, hi, America.
Hi, Miss Pinky.
May I ask you one question? You take up no money by mistake for the dresser?
No, mommy. America buy me that food here. Just a while ago up. Shut up! Just a while ago up the road.
Just I go the road. Cause me I wonder, you know. Say, oh, as me put on my money, it pitch and gone. Hey, let me tell you something, little girl. Let me tell you something.
Ask daddy
Don't
boy your
play
money.
with me. Ask which daddy boy which money. Don't play with me, you know. Because me know as a thief like your papa. Don't play with me. I saw your papa thief. I saw your thief. I remember tell you something.
Mommy, you not have to embarrass me.
Girl,
so.
shut up for me boof yo. Let me tell you something, little girl. Don't make me spit dry. And when me go back and me not see me money, you can't tell me nothing. You hear me I tell you? You know if you not play with me.
Amanda.
Alright.
So
Don't talk to me.
Oh, you say I find
Don't
the
talk to
money?
me.
Oh, hold on there. How will you live? Remove yourself. Now your friend hungry belly like.
Like are you?
Hey, little girl. So me and you, we are the same jazz now. Know yourself. Me must catch you. Me must tell up her. Nonsense. Oh, look a piece of tail, girl. Amanda! Amanda!
Yes, mommy.
Come here. Why kitchen look so? You know? You want me to lick sense in your head for you know? What make it, Amanda, what make you kill me off? Eh? Why you they kill me off? Girl, make you so nasty. Me nasty? Me ask you a question.
But mommy, if
Me ask you a question. Me nasty?
they not answer me, I go answer you.
Yes or no? Me nasty?
Me no know.
You don't know? You don't know? Me nasty? Eh? Come here. Come here. Tell a brighter stuff. From when me realize, you know, me realize that dirty needs them boy, you know. All your money go.
Which money?
All your money go. What me can't find.
Mommy, me no know.
Amanda, You know say I go finish me. If I not today, or tomorrow I go finish me. Amanda, what me not give you? Me and you there so, and we are build life together. There is nothing you're not short of. Are you plan to cheat me like this? Eh? As you plan to cheat me? And you see how things are go tough right now. I thief from me. Eh?
Mommy, I never me.
All the money I go because see them it just don't do me here. And if you pay the girl, so how me I go pay her? You don't know? You don't know? Amanda, stop thief. And that me say stop thief. So you what then?
Your daughter.
Yo. Remove every plate from out of the zinc right now and go wash them.
Okay.
No water no there in there. Remove them and go wash them. That me say. Girl, come here. You have sense. You have sense. You have sense. Get up. How will the mama so happy they are send me? I'm ready for ball out.
Mommy, I even know my back.
I broke me, should I broke it? But me look in your back. Take out every one of them now. Hey girl, you know what me say? Take out the whole of them. Take out the whole of them. You little bit of manners. You smell down there so now. Take them out. Pat them up. Hurry up too.
Mommy, I know say I never me taking money. America coming at my house and take it. You're not raised no thief. I am not a thief. I am country. I'm going to tell Daddy.
Come on, that's all. You see how I idiot? Eh? Me never know how I idiot me a raise. One non-skull brain smaddy me a raise. Eh? So, you tell me say America coming and go thief for money. And you allow America to thief for money. You know say show me a friend and me tell her where. You know say I look a idiot. Eh? So you make she come in here. You make a little thief in here come here and take my money. Eh? Are you put money?
No.
I fear money. I fear money. Yo. You don't even know what you tell me say now, you know. Hurry up and remove yourself from my side. Hurry up. Remove yourself.
Marika! Who that?
Hello?
Who's it?
Good night, Mr. Jacob. I don't know what they call, but me hear that they call Jacob. So good night, Mr. Jacob.
Jacoby. Jacob is the name, ma'am. Jacoby.
Okay, good night, Mr. Jacoby.
And what? I don't understand that signal, ma'am. You
Give
want
me
to
the
shake
money.
me hand?
Give me the money. Where your picnic come in at my house, come thief. That me a talk about. Come. I'm gonna read it on the long talking tonight, you know.
Alright, me get to understand that you lose your brain and your feet say up here, so you lost it.
Lose which brain?
And I don't think your brain is up here anywhere. So, you know, like you can look under the bed, in the toilet, or under the sink if you can't find your brain. Because obviously, your brain run off and your feet say up here, say drop. So, me go tell you now, say if you and your picnic take your time and go on the yard.
It come like say, you want me to piss in a one buckle and fling in your face, say, you know if my brain are up here. You just tell it, look dirty man, say, your friend which is in picnic coming at my house, come thief me money.
Who thief your money?
Remember who thief me money?
Who thief your money?
Are you coming?
Amanda, where you
Amanda say you're coming at my house, come thief me money.
Amanda say he find the money on the mango.
Beat the girl, Amanda. Beat the girl, Amanda. Beat the girl, Amanda. Beat the girl, Amanda. Beat the girl. Beat the girl. You hear that? Beat the girl.
Marika, what is going on here now?
Daddy,
Eh?
Daddy, see them get on the front, you know. Amanda coming out and play ask cash. I'm saying find money at the mango tree. I'm saying one go buy food. I'm going. And then I say, alright, mom, chicken, and she buy my chicken. Then her mother come and ask the money. And I little girl thief the money and I tell like say me thief money.
So how you a chief? Lord of mercy.
Then me don't thief no money. I find inside fine.
I don't even know what to say right now. I swear to Jesus. Marika, wait, hey, I don't want, hey. It's alright, you stay here, sir. You stay here, sir.
How you fi make the girl kick in your belly? I'm here to beat the girl. After me grow you, after me teach you to fight, you could eat.
Rastaman going my way.
I saw thump you. Which Rastaman going to wish you? I see how all of the Rastaman I can see everyone.
No, I want to spill from it.
How that?
Pinky,
Pinky what? Who that?
it's Jacoby.
Jacoby.
Good evening. I'd like to have a talk with you as adult to adults, not a child around.
Amanda, please go inside.
Look up.
Good job. What you say now, Jacoby?
Jacoby, right? You see, I'm a father where growing a girl, a young girl is kind of complicated, right? But at the end of the day, I try my best to do a lot of things to make sure that she's comfortable. And I know you're doing the same thing because you're raising your daughter. So you have a comprehensive knowledge of what I'm trying to say to you. But I don't think the way you handle things and the way she grab me here like say she want to fight her. She
grab her here because your daughter kick her in her belly. You look at me for you come to me and give one when I look a donkey kick them. You come and say about you don't like the way she grab her here.
Oh,
I'm so like an Englishman. You're Englishman?
So I understand.
Eh?
Alright, no, so
Englishman?
I'm not a
Butu peg.
what is boot? Alright. All I'm saying is that I think there's a big misunderstanding where this money situation is concerned because my daughter never come to your daughter's house. I'm sure about that. I don't ask her yet. When I go back in, I'm going to talk to her and find out exactly what's going on. Right? But you need to understand, say, we can't have this kind of behavior. Them grow up from a long time, you know. That's why them actually are friends. You understand me? I say, I mean, no, say me we have differences back in the day. And things don't work out. And from ever since, we I can't meet odds. So like right now you're aggressive and you talk certain things. I know where it's coming from.
No, Max, I go say, all the money I will go.
Which money?
Because when you talk right now, it don't make no sense. And when you talk, Mr. Jacob, it cannot pay me right now. And if me carry the money, go give the woman to do my head.
Alright, so listen to me.
You know what you said, cause? At 10,000 for do this. See, you see right now, you make things worse. All the money go, Mr. All the money go look at dirty Rasta man. Come in, I want to take the spoon and the fork and collide the head together. All the money go.
Alright, so what will happen now is that I'm going to leave your place because I tell you this clear. My daughter is not responsible for your daughter taking your money and me have to go pay for it. You understand?
Mr. You're a thief. You and your daughter are thief. From me looking in your head, Mr. Jacob. Me see thief, me print out in your head,
Alright, I think it's time for me.
Mr. Jacob, let me
I tried. I tried.
Let me choke out here, left me out. Watch out, Mr. Jacob, left me out. Nonsense. Rubbish. Amanda.
Mommy.
Come here. You really look dirty man. But his daughter is not a thief. And his daughter never come over here. Imagine. I pick up his daughter. Hey!
America take money, mommy.
America take the money. I go teach her one lesson. Say, do not allow strangers into my house. I go teach all this your name. Hello?
Hello?
What going, brother?
Sister, why? You know, so me get up this morning and I said to myself, say, I don't know if you ever really help me out in that situation, but I told you did tell me, say, if any case and anything go on with me, feel like me want to help with me sick me and the doctor, you know, help me. Remember you tell me that?
Yeah, but as long as it don't have nothing to do with money, because right about now, I have no money.
No, listen to me. You're the wrong smart you're talking. Don't dare your face stick. And don't do it again. You understand me? I say, don't make it seem like you want to call out for bigger things, lady. I don't beg a thing. I say, last money I spend, you know, was $15,000, you know. And up until you know, you're not giving back my money, you know. I say, you give me 7,500 every week and I don't get $1. So it's not about money this time. You understand me?
Alright, my brother, joke me and make. What you say?
I must joke you make because sometimes you run some serious joke. I mean, I like them something there. I feel a weird star. But yeah. So back to the story now. So, to me, look at that now. She basically, you know, we running around a little situation because she must take some money from somebody. And then, when you take it out, the woman carry back the picnic come at the yard, says she want money to pay to do her hair. And me, I said to myself, say, that not have nothing to do with me. But me know, say, my daughter no thief. You understand that the only thing we can put me head on the block and say.
Hello. Wait a second. You can't say she not thief, because remember, say her mama blood are running in her vein. So she will do anything, because her mama know nothing about her.
That's a true, because I want dirty piece of woman, that's the truth. But I get found that because I don't want to get my grief. And last time I think about that and get for that situation there, our blood pressure feel me have to buy from Dr. Roy place and so. So I'm really upon that right now. So more, and me understand, say, only thing more you do for me is help me out with that. More send her come today. You know how you stay, or what you do.
Look, you know, me will help you out, because at the end of the day, I'm my niece already. So, and then me feel like she out of line and she needs somebody to put her back in the line. So send her, come and me deal with her.
That is true. But one thing me have a problem with, and one thing I gotta ask you.
What that?
You ready for hear? I mean, you have vexed with me, like last time I said to you, you feel like a vexation thing. That the man that still come at the yard?
Lord Jesus.
One night stand thing, you know?
Lord Jesus. Come on to my business, and brother, that's not for your business, man.
No, but me can't send my daughter up there and because that's a dirty man. I mean, I trust them dirty man there. So me I say, is it that the man stop deal? Because me here to the left, you know, in total.
It's a new man me have, and him not coming here, and me go to him. So no worry about nobody and a man and nothing like that. Because me have a new man.
Okay. So him not coming there?
No, you're mad. Me done with that.
Alright, good. Because, well, they're going to start 1 month. So I send her down for the month. Because I'm going to say school just the holiday.
Okay.
So I'm going to send her down for the month and thing, and then we see what I want. So, you remember the money you want me, so just use that and buy food for her.
Brother, nobody with the fooling issue. Make sure so when you come, you pack a little bag with a little snacks and a little juice them, and you get a little money for bring come give me, because you know me not have no money, you know.
Remember, say you owe me. So me I say, if you owe money, instead of giving me 15,000, just know, say, boy, that money that's quit out by here, take care of she and buy food. But you act like say you buy enough food, eh? Not saying for the flour, the only flour you buy, eh? I be a flour you name, you know. You forget.
You see?
You forget.
Look here now, you see?
And it's that I tell you to stop me and flour. No, you see now stop me and flour, because flour is life. Eh?
Mate, that's why it's not good for making nasty nigga know your business. Look here now, just come out of my business.
And your brother, we have to know what me I tell you, say, you have to start name rice like Chinese. You realize the Chinese never yet disappear and use bathroom or them something there. Or you never see Chinese a doctor. Eh? Alright, do it, mama. Practice for name rice.
Alright, like when you want me name rice, pack when you send up the little girl, you get her the money or you pack the rice, send her with. Because I don't have it.
Alright, just take your time on your woman. Later, and thank you very much. You love you so much, my sister.
Alright, my brother, I love you too, but come out of my business, man, later.
She's the one out here.
I could have said, like a picnic, I could drive me insane, but I felt my brother, you know. This alone can't help me right about now. Oi! What one there?
Yeah. Where you going with?
What's that thing, man, there?
You're good.
Yeah, man, me there, man.
Long time I not see you, my friend. Why? Girl, me day get you? Where your face look so?
Get you. I'm suck a salt the palm, my friend.
Girl, no say so.
It's like when you cook your food. You have tip salt and everything you cook. I soy salt dash your palm.
My God.
I'm not get you, girl. When I get you, it stress me right out.
And you do everything what me tell you to do?
Half of my brain a tick. Me no must do everything you tell me to do.
Girl, that's how it go. You can try again.
Try again.
Yeah, girl, what you want to give up? You know how much time me try? A 4th time I try before me get through. I'ma tell you that.
What are you? Me can just a try so. And nothing now come true.
Girl, you have to have faith. Me not just tell you that 4th time me go before me get through. Have a little faith now.
So. Anyways, where you going differently? You're not in a room.
No, my love. My day is stressed out and I think I want some rum right about now. You could bring some?
You ever have rum? You're not in a room with you?
No, I'm not in a room. No, have rum for you. No rum at all.
When was the last I drink rum?
Well, last time I did have a drink.
Yeah. You find new man?
Yeah, my love. But then I'm not tell up on the phone.
Hold on. The man where you find, him better than the next one.
Way better, girl. Because this a boy, him love me and him just has spending money, so. Yeah.
Let's see. See, I do new hairstyle.
Yeah, my love.
Because that man never did hair none at all. You look like a papa, you know. You remember how you look?
Mm-hmm.
I can't believe. Me I just if you run the little dirty man.
True.
Remember me as I tell you?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Hear me now? When I find this man, hear me look better me listen to my friend a long time. Because me would in this poverty with this little crosses boy, yeah. Everywhere me go, him just watching a peep. You don't know, say, me and the first date, me and the man go pan. I would that, we believe I watch a peep. Not dirty watch a peep, boy, I watch a peep.
Hey, watch man.
Jesus.
Why me don't find myself no watch man like with the
And I go call my phone, hear me now? I saw you do it. Eh? I date before this and I say, alright. I tried me I go on station. And I can say, yeah. Date before this and that's what I mean.
I would have killed him before he killed me.
And like my tell me I watch me back. Yeah, hey, you know, so the boy tormented, you know. Him tormented. I really come and ask me, say, how would a man there? If you meet me tell me say the man I watch you. You know him? If tell man say no, me don't know him.
Yeah, that is right. I tell a man say a madman. You never see the man before. He unsound mind.
True,
There are
girl.
people there, you don't know them.
How me go pick up on myself? You could have pinched me. I look how long me your friend, girl.
I told me you want to in your back.
True, man.
But your back the too little bit the time there. You know see now you put on weight.
For real, nah?
You look good, my friend, me not tell a lie.
For true, man. For true. Sometimes I have to sit back and look at it and say, watch it. What me do with my life?
True. But anyways, you alright though?
Yeah, mama, good.
No, so me not to stay long.
Alright, so what me I go do? Me and him will go up on the road in the week. Me go call you, come link we up.
Alright.
Take care of yourself, my friend.
Pick up yourself, you know.
And try again. Remember, try again.
Last time.
Alright, my friend. Remember, try again. Every time she come and she want to come down my little room. Although I'm afraid I'm love her still now, but a little bit, man, I could get none of this. Get one glass, yeah, because I'm stressed right out that little problem. Lang para comment anything say. Little girl, why you take so long? Where did they? Evelyn. You just come with your attitude. You matter with it now? It's too early. I mean, want me to live good, me your auntie. Anyway, where take us so long? Where did they so long? Traffic. Okay. You know why you're here, right?
No, that's have to explain to me why I'm here.
What you mean you know why you're there? You know exactly why you're there. I'm tell you, you see for the time where you're there, remember your space. Me's your auntie and you're a child. I'm want me to get along good because I love my brother. You hear what I say? I'm gonna tell you the little chores then what you have to do around the house because you have to do chores.
Oh, what you just say?
What you mean by what me just say? You never hear what I say?
No? Obviously, that's why I asked what you just said.
Okay, let me repeat myself.
Yeah.
You see, in this house, you got to do chores. You
As
understand?
What? As what? As a maid?
No, you're not my
Let me
maid.
tell you something. I said, me there my father yard. My father don't give me no chores to do. You understand? Only thing me do, I play a hopscotch and go up on the road with my friend them, and that's it. So I don't know you can't talk about chores. Me don't do no
And that is the
chores.
problem. That's why you're not going to be, you don't know how to be a nice young lady. Prepare yourself for tomorrow's world to get husband. Because you're not going to know to do nothing.
After
You
me
want
ready
man
for
to
no
meet you.
husband.
You're not feel ready. But you have to prepare yourself. You have to know for wash, cook, and clean.
My father always do that for me. So I don't need to know how to do it.
Let me tell you something. You see that yard there and my yard and your father yard is. So you say anything me says and that goes. Because I prepare you for tomorrow world for get husband. You just want to just get up and just dip on road up here, have scotch and about with friends. You don't want to learn for doing little girl? Look here, make me live in a peace. So me go teach you, because it seems like your father down there do everything and he not teach you for do nothing. So you see me, I go teach you as your auntie how for the stuff.
I mean, I talk to?
Yes, are you may talk to?
Auntie, as I got up in a while ago, you're talking about something you know what you say.
Is that right?
Like, you go blank, like me, I want to look up in my ears.
I see why you're not behave. You see you're not manners. You know, no if you do nothing, and pan top height, you're not manners. You're rank and you can't do nothing.
Auntie, Mr. Pee bed from your two ear.
Little girl,
So
listen
know
to me.
you tell me some, you smell me?
Little girl, listen to me and listen to me good. Me, I go teach you how to do things in the house. I mean, I want a back answer. Okay? So just settle, put your bag over, see your room over there, so. Go put on your bag and go lie down and relax yourself. Because me, I go call your father and ask him one thing. Because I don't know what kind of woman he expect you to grow up to be, you know, if you don't know to do nothing, you know. You go on with your yaya up and down for me like me not see you. Go on, look here now. Just go on in the room because I have to go talk to your father.
Never tell us I want to sleep, Auntie.
I never tell you to go sleep with him. I say put on your stuff.
Right now up on the road, I want to go
I
see
know
if
that.
I meet now.
See you door there, go on through there.
Where you go do?
I know that.
My
See the
father
door
don't
there, go
beat me
on
now, so you can't beat me because my father pay you.
A different
I
houses
may
now.
tell my father.
Alright.
Oh, alright.
See door there.
Don't
go on.
touch me.
See door there, go on
Don't
through
touch
there, America.
me. After I'm not afraid to go.
Go on there now.
Where you go do?
Me say go on, because I go know for your
So,
father
come here.
house this. It's alright. No worry yourself, because you have to come back in there. Because you have to sleep in there now. And that me know. Tell you about them, you pick me. I may call her father now. Because I don't want, no, me and I have nothing so early, so I make sure I call him. Because I him are the problem. Teach him pick me if you do nothing. She not no behavior, she not no manners.
Hello?
Brother, you see the little ranking pitting the way adjusting up on me head when I no manners. After me tell him to go through the door, the pitting looking at me and walk through the door.
What you mean?
Me say little pitting and no manners. So me come here and be attitude him and give me like make me know say he nah do nothing because you not tell him to do nothing down in your yard.
Alright, sister. Listen, I say, me understand. So there's a lot of things that we need to fix, so we never get to fix. And the only way we can fix them is if I tell you say, more help from you for do that. So I'm gonna go tell you say, me never fall short on certain things, right?
Okay.
You hear me?
Yeah, mommy, I hear you.
So all I'm saying is that give me some time. Me go talk to her and calm her down because she's going through a lot, you know, mentally, you know, and that I think is one of the major problems there. Yeah, my sister.
Alright.
As a man to raise a daughter, you know, there are things where, you know, only being strict sometimes is the only way and thing me can think of. But me can't be a chick as me don't really want to be. You understand? Because girls pick me. So that's why I say to you, say, if you can help me out and organize up.
Yeah, me go help you out, you know, but tell her, say no. Me no nice and she not ramp me, because me bust her ass. Because you have her down there ramp with her, me not ramp with her.
Alright, just which part she there?
She just got me and tell her she tear on me hair and go through the door after me tell her to go through there.
I'm going to call you on your phone. No worries, sir. Yeah?
Alright.
Yeah, so when she come in, she'll be a changed person. Just watch.
I hope so. For your sake and mine.
Alright, I don't call.
Alright.
Not like a person, you know. I feel boring. I want to go back down to my father. All the time, I see Amanda. I miss my friend, you know. Hello? Yeah, come for me?
Hello, my daughter.
Hello.
Listen. I know I might broke your body in certain things. You understand? Because based on how you behave like a picnic will always get your way. Look on the other day, me take with your phone. Right? And me take with your phone, me get back to you because you start ball. But that is not how life is really. You hear me I say?
Daddy, I want to go. I can't bother with up here, so.
Me tell you what I'm going already because the circumstances with Pinky and Fear that I just feel like you need to just spend some time and relax.
So, I can be a figure. What I can never Pinky and in that agree.
I don't know about them. You understand? I don't know about them. Simple as that. You understand? And me now get into that again. I'm going to tell you already. I'm going to talk to you already, girl. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Yes. So, auntie, I will take care a little bit. Alright?
I don't want my auntie take care of me. I want to go home because this woman not go tell me about chores. Like she ever see me do chores yet?
No, she never see you, but she will see you now.
Me not do it.
What do you mean you not do it?
Me
Listen,
not
man.
doing
All you have to
anything.
do, alright. What is it you want for your birthday?
I don't know.
You remember, say you want the new iPhone?
Yeah.
You remember that? So if you want that, work towards it and be a good girl.
No,
Even
daddy, you did say
for 2 days.
no. You tell me say if me behave myself for 1 week, you go buy. I'm behave myself for all of the weekday.
No. Remember, say them call thief by your name. You forget?
But I know
That's
me
where you
thief.
up there right now.
I know me
Me
thief
don't
for
know,
money. I
but
know
me don't
me.
know.
Me never
Look,
thief
go
no
for
money.
Yeah, you may say don't speak what I'm speaking. That's the first thing you need to understand. Manners and respect. Especially for me. I told me I'm in love with so much, you know. That's why I basically I make certain things that happen in a certain way and you feel like the boy. You know, you can have your own way on certain things. I need to understand some I love you and because I love you, that's why I'm set up there. Your auntie's tricky, you know. You know auntie? I mean I want only a problem, but
She not stricter than me.
listen to me, man. You want the iPhone or you don't want it?
Yeah, I want the iPhone.
Alright, just be yourself. So when you're going back, you say, you act as nice as possible. Say, auntie, I'm sorry, I'll be your best niece ever in this world, okay? You can
Yeah.
do that?
Yeah.
If you do that as you tell me say you do that, then we start the process of knowing so you start be a better girl, okay? You hear me say?
Alright, Daddy.
And
Yeah.
no bother go up there go play no hopscotch. You hear me?
Alright.
Alright, so we talk later.
Later.
Love you, my daughter.
Love your father.
Alright, anything you say?
Ah.
Oh, so what you say there? Aye. You never hear me say a while ago.
Auntie,
Mom.
you feel like me there?
Me feel wonder.
Well, alright, let me tell you something. You see, I'm today. I'm gonna behave myself here. I'm not gonna get no more trouble again. And anything else I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do it. You hear?
So, I want change. Your father call you?
Yeah, my father called me.
Anyway, I'm tell you. And so, me there tell you, say, me gonna need you for do little things around the house and inside of the house. So, you can start by seriously sweep up the little yard and so forth.
Tomorrow.
What do you mean by tomorrow?
So as me come, me have to start the work.
Yeah, you have to start work. You have to know for the things. And that me just staying in the house.
I want this way, I'm gonna do it still in the auntie. I want the reason why.
And when you're done, you come inside. Let me show you what you're going to do inside, okay? And take your time. Give me a, you know what? Me go in. Make sure someone come back it do properly. Okay. Cause me not know what kind of pitney you turn on for being now. You just say you go behave yourself and all of a sudden
Auntie, you know,
you
you
just
say me a rake and you still a make nice. And that me not like nice.
you know
If
like
I go
nice.
make nice for me, I go put on the rake and nobody do it.
What you say?
But I true, me know my father call me again.
It's alright. Make sure me come back it do properly. You know for come here the first time you go here?
You blind, you know, sister, you are the rake, auntie.
No, me love. Start from here, so. Cause it's some rubbish
Are you
here,
want
so.
do it, auntie or me? Let me finish.
You don't know if you do nothing, so let me tell you all for the things. You gotta start from here, so, and you gotta rake it, go back that way.
You know, say I true, yeah, me auntie, and me know want my father call
You
me
eat
again.
already, by the way? Eat already?
No, I'm hungry.
Finish rake up the yard and come inside. Me I look about something to you eat. Aye, me say finish.
Oh, me for finish.
Finish rake up the yard there,
No,
come
but me
inside.
hungry. You know, long the traffic, the be on the road. You know, see a white scarlet. Me hungry.
Come
Let me
inside and
eat
get something to
first.
eat. You see, you have something else, you know, you don't want to work, but you want to eat. Wait, you can cook? Sure. But wait, nowadays. Aye. Hello. I say you want to eat and come down and bed in a pretty have bad stomach, girl.
Auntie, if I never have bad stomach from the time there, I know me got a bad stomach. Just wait, let me sleep and then we talk to you later.
Aye, I'm not sleeping time. A day now. Me understand, say you're on holiday. But at night you got bed in the house here. Remember you're not in your father's house. At night you got bed in the house here. You just eat it, you just come lie down, say you go sleep. You will have bad stomach. It's not gonna
I
happen.
know bad stomach. And my father said that's the way I should go. When me eat, me go lie down and rest myself.
Right, listen to me and listen to me carefully. You're not in your father's house and feel me house you in. So me gonna want you get up and go wash the plate them. I say you want to live little girl, you don't want to learn for do nothing. You know what? That's when you have one little boyfriend, you know how to treat him. I expect you want to do on people boy pitney.
You know, so me feel say true, you have enough man, auntie. That's why every minute you come tell me about boyfriend. Me did tell us I want boyfriend. Me don't need no boyfriend. You understand? Every time you tell me about boyfriend, me don't want a boyfriend.
Yes, all about me have enough man.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
that's why
enough
me
man,
here tell
that-
about boyfriend.
yes.
No, you see to the oh where you live and you gonna have enough man.
Me-
Cause you gonna feel like say you have to run experiment on different man. So you
tell
gonna
me
pick up enough
father say
man.
you say me tell me father say you tell me to
Girl,
go take
listen
man.
to me and listen to me
Tell me
good.
father pardon.
Me need to get up and go wash the plate them and straighten up the bed where you look at the bed where you sleep on.
OMG,
You just get up, you lie down, get up, you lie down, get up and go do something, man, and I say it run.
Auntie, me not have no time for wash no plate right now, you know. When me eat, me rest, cool off, and then me go wash plate. As so me body work. My body can't program so. When you want to change up my body,
Take up, get out of my bed. Take up your backside, boy, body want rest, somebody want this, somebody want do this. Get up and go wash the plate
and
them.
that's why I not like people yard, you know, because nobody, my father never run me out of bed, you know. And me come in your piece all broke down yard and if you look good, you come and they run me out of your bed. Your bed nigga soft.
You see your mouth, you see your mouth.
You
Get out of my
You need a
bed.
new bed. You need a new
get up.
bed. Because
Yes,
this a bed not even
Alright,
feel
me need a
firm
new bed.
enough.
Get up, get up, get up.
Eh,
You gotta
not
learn
even
to do something.
spring.
Get up, you gotta learn
Not
to do something
even
in
spring
this.
in the bed. Watch out. If me jump too hard, it pop.
You see, you little girl. You see, if I never my brother, you know, so me put you out of this a long time. Cause you see that mouth where you have, you don't have no manners. Get up out of the bed, me say go wash the plate, them.
You say me wake up, auntie, then me go wash the plate.
Go sleep in there. Go back, go sleep back off your bed.
I want the whole crosses.
Get up out of my bed and go wash the plate, them. Get up. Out of that and a
Me
baby.
not wash no what?
Me tell you, no man not go want you, you know. Cause you don't know if you do nothing.
Neither. You know, see, you don't live a yard with man.
It's alright. We boss ya, such me and you. Me gonna make sure tell your papa, cause me no want treacher. You see you, it's alright. Nah, no behavior. Ranking girl, you don't know if you do nothing more. You near me, you sleep. You near me, you sleep. You don't want to do nothing. Me don't know what kind of papa that. I teach you if you do nothing. I mean, so we don't grow up.
Marika, how you doing this?
You own yourself? You saw for you? Hmm?
I have to me live and of course me see over this yard.
So,
How you see you live?
me don't live over here. Me just come for the holiday.
So me can go with the attitude and stuff. You don't know me?
Me know you, yes. But what? You want me for the jump up and say, ah, hi, Taga. That's what I'm for do.
You never say, but you can't get up and greet me and say, what?
As what?
We got same school, you can't just say. See me I walk past and me see you and me I heal you up.
Healings.
You know, say, when I tell you the truth, when I see you at school and me like you, but me just know say you just full of attitude. And I don't want to come tell you shame me.
You like me?
Yeah, me like you, you're a nice girl.
That's nice. Wonderful.
That's what I talk about
Round
now.
of applause.
So, are your auntie there over here, sir? Oh.
My grandmother.
Oh. So you just a chill out.
Mm-hmm.
You can't come chill out with you.
We'll go chill.
No, we can't talk.
I didn't count on a right as I can. Me can't bother figure it up, you know.
We can't jump the fence.
If you want to jump and break your foot, that's your business. When you
Well,
jump
you
and
have to
break
say
your
me
foot,
go
and
broke
my
my foot.
foot, and my fault.
You couldn't just say the fence itch me or something.
And my tear, it go tear to catches.
You can't sit down outside it.
Huh?
Oh.
Where you
Yes,
guys
sir.
sit down? You know how for bike?
Now your family yard.
Me don't know how for bike. And my grandmother live over here one all couple of one.
So your grandmother crippled.
Yeah. He cripple. And he miserable.
Like you.
Huh?
Like you.
Oh, miserable. Go on in your yard.
The truth is sitting here, I'm going
Go
yard.
on home then. Because you are this me.
You can't just come off an attitude business.
Alright, what you want to talk about?
Boy, me tell you, say, me see you at school and me like you. You not even say you will like me back or not.
Me like you.
Just so?
Oh, you did want me to say it.
We can talk about this one next time. We can come back and check it and we have a conversation about it.
You know a new movie will come up on Netflix?
Me not have Netflix.
Me on Netflix. Me go call. Give me your number now. So me can call and we can Netflix and chill.
Type
You don't know numbers?
457 3307.
What your name again?
Toga.
Oh,
I'm name I forgot.
Black Boy.
Me not black, you know?
How you do?
A sun change my skin to me real color. Me not black.
Alright, come on, run some tests and see if you're genuine.
I mean, me not must genuine. Me a human. Me not fake.
Sir.
You think me a AI?
So you not run tests?
Me soon check it.
You not run tests? You don't
Only
know a
test me
test?
do at school.
No fool like how you don't know. Go on, when you come and show you a test them here.
Hurt.
Idiot. Come on, now. Wash plate them.
Why? You on the bed. Why you love lie every minute me look round here and lie down? You know say that's how your mother did get you. Cause so she come every minute she want lie down. Anyway, miss. You know, me I come go up on the road and guess what? Me no want you come out of the yard. Me want you stay in the yard and clean up the house. You hear me? Are you me attack? You hear me?
You are going like me and wear earpod. Me not deaf. Me
So why you don't answer?
Me I them a answer. My mouth not have to answer, but me I the answer.
Me tell you say no, you see? I will only reason why me I do is I come brother right about now your father stress out. Little girl, you think me want me I feel go back and forth every minute?
But stress my father. My father not stress out. My father well alright.
That's the way you think in your mind. Your father stress out. Cause you not behave yourself. And you not hear me talk to you. You think me want me if they at it every day, me auntie and I love you. Anyway, see 2 crackers here and 1 half a Pepsi. You go and munch on it. What you mean?
Me no want that for it. I'm so mad.
It's alright, cause you can't do nothing to help yourself. So no eat it and see how it go work out. Me go up on the road, me soon come.
No, call my father and tell him some. Me call my father come want something for it. Me no know what that you give me. Me know my father give you money if you buy things to me. Me not ask you tell me tell her. And you go give me the man left and drink and left.
You put left money,
your unborn picnic.
In the game, when you there come, you put the game money.
You don't give me money, but me know saying good as that send the money in your account or something.
You see, me not in an argument with you now. Me come go about my business. Remember, me tell you stay in the yard and tidy up the room.
As what?
It's alright. Me soon come.
So you come back home.
Alright, you see. Anyway, me come back and you stay same way you not bother eat. Just remember, say, anyway, me come back and you stay same way you not bother eat.
I'm not here.
Me run up on the road and come back. Me can't bother with the argument. Too much argue not good for me now.
And you want to argue?
Pick me later.
I don't know if you control your mouth. I'm going to call my father. I'm not getting. I'll try one more time. I'm not getting. But I look at idiot black boy the name again.
Toka.
Yes, we say him as black boy and I'm saying. I find her number. What happened, Toga? Good evening. You alright? Me kinda bored. You can come over here? Yeah, come run some test fire, you know, and see if for real. You get so much up? But you're not idiot. We don't want that there's something there for do. You're not parents. What time you say you come over here? Alright then, me there wait for you. Yeah, make sure you say as the clock strike that the time they reach over here now. Alright. Yeah, later.
Where this salon?
I'm trying to say, I want to forward in the yard and she don't see me. Because I tell her, say, I don't want she see me. Because if she see me now, a problem, she go say, go cuss and this and that and home make him spend this a day. So things with her and she.
You make the pitney stay so you know, and I say she not no behavior, I don't want to thump her in her mouth, you know.
She say nobody with that do. Nobody that see. So no, she stay already. Because fear vibes and fear. I can admit I'm a spoiler at some time, but you can't blame me. Hmm?
Of course.
Can't.
She's a girl child, you have to teach her how to do things.
But I'm my only girl child and you know she kinda unhappy because she feel like her mother neglect her and all them something there. So I just find them the basis they have to understand that she with her. But boy.
You're wrong, because I know you got to take a dirty woman, breed dirty woman. I tell you about the girl, you know, and you still force and breed the girl, you know. I tell you about the girl, you still force. Same like how the pitney stay. The pitney, she her blood and run right through the pitney veins. The pitney not no behavior, just like the mama.
Alright, what we have to do then is try to get her blood transfusion.
Hey.
You understand? And the blood transfusion, I say, is that you have to just school her and keep her in track. You know, so I soft hearted to her, that's I think. And you not really business, you're a principal girl. You understand? You stop drinking rum?
Hello, your pitney make me drink more rum more than anything else. And if in a long while, of course, me never drink so much rum because of your pitney. And I want to turn her over because everything me say she back answer me. Every single thing. What do you mean I say to her? Say, you can't just eat and go lie down on the bed. So, get up, spread up the bed, wash up the plate them. Because when they find man, you go want to experiment on man like your mama. Because remember the experiment our mama put on fire, you know.
I know. But sister, listen to me, man. Just work with me, man. I say thank you very much. And I really appreciate it because I think about you, I say, more even left $500 with you and see if I can buy some syrup and maybe 2 more pounds of flour. I don't know if your style. But please, see if I can buy 1 pound of flour and 2 and even 1 pound of rice and thing. Because she don't really love the flour.
So, hold on there. I left where you come here, so come and rank with me. I sorry for me. Me don't want your $500. Because my man money give me money enough. Me don't want your no sorry for me, brother. You out harder about $500. You want your pocket here? Out harder.
So you just up and go, so.
Me not go nowhere. Are you call me and tell me if you come out here so come meet you? I'm run, come here, come meet you.
Make sure say you keep a close eye on her, you know. Because I know how she stays, she's very experimental. And when I say experimental, she like walk out and see what go on and no because neighbor them me realize say your house them really too close to certain people. You understand? No neighbor them really.
No neighbor, no come over for me section right there, so you see me. But me I tell you, so me can't watch her 24/7 because me have my life, you know. Remember me have my life.
Alright.
Oh.
Alright, so remember now a mountain before me forward it and take her back. Yeah?
Alright.
That
Yeah man, that good.
Alright. So
By then do me I forgot bore 2 hole in her ears because me not ramp with her.
fresh part she done.
She down at the yard, me left her down there. You know, fair style, she cock up and lie down. I should me now one good mood to them. I say, you know what, I go lower her till tomorrow.
No, me I was telling her to take a rest after she eat, because me don't want she vomit. So she grew up with that kind of mentality, so she eat and as she eat, she go lie down and sleep.
Me ask you a question. What we there grow up and mommy feed we? Should you tell we go take a rest after we don't eat?
But you look on it now. Feel mama different, you know. Because the amount of chores and housework and chop this and go down a river and catch water. We went tired, you remember? Sometimes you have to watch when mama comes, so we take turns to go sleep. But different days now. Because, you know, who want them people to grow up the same hard life? How them when grow up?
You have to make them know the hard life and know the struggles that them can come up strong. Because this a little girl to all Mrs. Shagwan, you know. To all Mrs. Shagwan is either she go something the people pitney is either she go do some experiment on people pitney and take with them life or them out take with fear because she don't know nothing. She not street smart. She don't know nothing. All she know for do eat and lie down. Oh, come on, man. Me shame my you know. Me shame my you.
Alright, so yeah, so the Wi-Fi don't get to work?
Of course, my Wi-Fi must work.
Alright, just see if you can turn on it. Or I forget saying on TV down there. Oh, Jesus. Alright. I'll try to work out sitting on this a weekend and see what I go on. But if you don't work out, just go and do what you do. I'm thank you again, my sister.
Alright.
I appreciate you.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, me I go down now because your picnic supposed to down there create animosity down there, so me I go down. Because as long as she not see me now, I'll be a problem.
Alright, thanks
so
again.
Take care of yourself.
Yeah. Me call you. Call me for nothing, yeah?
And remember, when you take up our next woman, not take them the Jezebel there. Alright.
I mean, man. Very nice, though. I'll do a long walk over there.
What do you mean by that?
Long time walk over there.
So where you want to come over here a long time?
No, man, it's too many bright, so I have that ear thing, but I don't know how in I place stay. You know what I mean?
You're not nobody over here. You're not supposed to want to come over here. I don't want to over here.
I said that, man. Everything work out between me. I have you over here now. Alright?
Yeah, I'm over here. You know, this me now.
So you don't sit down and turn up?
I don't want to sit down.
So you laugh, so?
You can't laugh. You know what?
So you say I watch a movie?
Oh, I never watch my movie. I want to do some test for you.
Test? Yeah, the practice the school?
No, man, I want to see how would I react with certain things.
I mean, react with certain things. Better.
So then I said, yeah,
react with certain things. Yeah, chicken.
My friends all run for my auntie dresser. But wait no. My father used to tell me say, when my grandfather drink and come in, he used to beat my grandmother. So
Cause I room.
I don't know if I rum. I that I want to find out today. So
if I rum? So why have you do that by me?
Because I want to see what you go do.
Go get the dog, you can get the dog. And look if you bite it.
I dog me again. Come.
Who you call dog?
Come, you want me? You want me down?
Yeah,
yes, you like me down. Come here for drink this and prove your love to me. But drink and fall like
but I love you.
Drink and me, you know if you love me.
You so mine.
Everything. You don't love me. I tell my father.
Me have a drink of whole life.
Yes, as me go tell my father say you come over here. I tell my auntie too. You have to drink coffee.
Why you play too rough?
Drink it, and top go on, son. Just stop a bread. I'm show you. Come. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Drink. Come.
I think you play too rough, man. You lick me back for.
Hush, man. Come, drink again.
Me can't drink no more. Me throat a bone me that no man.
I'm a rubbish here.
No, sir. Me never drink rum so strong, you know.
No, man.
No, I'm drinking.
No, I'm only no.
You make it like me a baby.
Come now.
I'm drinking, me a drinky. Jesus Christ.
Tastes good though. Come, look a bit more left. Come. And also you're full. How you feel?
Can't drink no more.
Come on. Drink look a bit more.
I can't drink. You just have force to put rum on me, so I can't drink no more.
Come man, taste look a bit more. How you feel?
You know what I'm saying? You see you?
Come again. See done there. Good boy. You know something else you love me now. Jesus Christ. How you feel?
I pay too much, see you? I got me ready to tell you about this. What kind of taste that?
Oh yeah, they look so.
Oh, I saw my band. You are showing me 2 fingernails.
To what?
2 fingernails, I show me another finger.
Sit down up.
What's it?
Hold on, no more. Here.
Must freeze.
Yeah, freeze. I'm gonna put this over your neck and come.
It can't hold.
One to you, man. See? Same thing. I that my grandfather do my grandmother. You see you go Philip me a while ago?
You can't lick me. What? Why?
Me tell my father.
Jesus Christ. Aye. Hello. I want me say I come out here so look a while ago. I'm never bring my place. No, Miss Mattis son, me say I come out and come through my door a while ago. Are you me a talk to? No man. You say this a pizza when I buy for you, not even eat your bad again. A man, me say you come out and a while ago.
Me ask for pizza. If you gone well there, I see one of my school friend them. Me no must talk to my school friend and make them come over here.
Then me never tell you say you not bring nobody in and you not left the house. What you mean me gone all day?
The house, I mean I left the house. My friend come look for me. Is that crime?
Your friend? Where your friend come look for you for? Why you bring your friend in my house to come look for you?
Me do some experiment.
Jesus Christ, what you mean by experiment?
They do something upon him.
What you mean you do something upon him? What you do upon him?
Things.
Things like what?
Me not have to explain what me do.
Jesus Christ, no, me have to. Look up, girl, where's the while ago? You not have to do what? You see, because your poopa now beat you, you feel like say me your size. Me your size?
Size in her shoes in her auntie.
So all along you still have face with me? Eh?
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
All right then. Thank you. You've made it to the end. I may say, all right then. Thank you for the time that you spent. I may say, all right then. Thank you. You've made it to the end. I may say, all right then. Thank you for the time that you spent. Hey, thank you so much. Guess what? I want to make it to the end. When I watch the movie to the entirety, and guess what? I appreciate that. But guess what? Share the movie, man. You like the movie? Share the movie. comment, tell me what I go on, you know what I mean? Because as me, I go say again, I'm a work in progress. Yeah. So bless yourself and thanks again. And we catch you in the next one. Me, I go do episode 2 to that one, yeah. You understand? Let's go.